Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming access and permissions, then log in. Once authenticated, open the Navneet Log Table and choose the correct project and date. Next, focus on the first actionable entry. Pick the top row, set the timestamp to the exact time, insert your user ID, and pick the action code that best fits. Make sure to add a brief note explaining the change. This helps later auditing. If you're using templates, apply them now to fill repetitive fields quickly and consistently. Once the initial row exists, proceed to the complex middle steps. Validate each dropdown to avoid mismatches and set owner and category correctly. Then populate quantitative fields, duration as 0, 5 hours, cost in dollars, and % complete as a numeric value. Use the comments box to explain reasoning and attach supporting files or reference ID so others can verify. Make sure to save frequently. Autosave is helpful, but manual saves prevent race conditions when multiple users edit simultaneously. To finalize, run the built-in validation to catch missing fields, format errors, or cross-field conflicts. Once clean, lock or publish the row and notify stakeholders with an in-app alert or email. Archive obsolete rows to keep the table tidy. If something goes wrong, revert the single row using the undo or rollback feature, or restore from the latest auto-saved snapshot. If rollback fails, export the table as CSV for manual correction and re-import after validating the changes to avoid propagation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.